So what we have here is a Polaris Ranger 900 XP that has the slipping issue of the starter. This is my bike. So, sorry about the light. Yeah, so when you hit the start, it'll slip sometimes and not grab. Like, it's got to be the one-way bearing for the crank. So this is a 2016 Ranger. You can do it with the engine in the bike. Have the side cover off. I had a little bit of oil in here. I'm not sure if this is a sealed spot like the 800s are, but there wasn't a lot of oil in here. So we're just gonna be removing this, take that bolt off, use the puller I got, pull that off, and install all the new stuff. Just one more thing for the Ranger, right? We also have new rear seals for the CVs and the tranny to put in, some new brake pads also, and I'll probably throw in a set of spark plugs just for the hell of it. So that's kind of what we got going on the Ranger. And then when it's back together, I'll bleed the cooling system and get all that fixed back up. But trying to get it ready for some riding. Seal on this side is going to be changed as well. It's leaking on the transmission. And I might even bust into the clutching because it's kind of feeling a little grabby. It's not going into park real easily. So we'll see, and I'll bring you along. Here we go. Alright, so this is the removal process of this here flywheel, is what we're going to do. So it was a 19 mil to take off this bolt here. So that's already been loosened up. I'm putting some lube right now on the threads of the puller, so it doesn't get messed up. Never used this puller. So here we go. Let's move this. Okay, so, but the bolt on, or this piece on here is an it's a little bit, it's not a 19, it's different. Let's see how this thread's on here. I think it's reverse thread. Or not. I don't know. It is reverse thread. Okay. We got it. I'm going to thread that sucker all the way down. Okay. Suckers. I hand tightened it all the way down. So now you can take your, what is this? This ain't a 19. So this is a 21, I think. Yeah. That's what we're using. So we're about to run this in and pull this off. There we go. Well, it is not going. Okay. Let me back out of here slowly. Let me see if I grab a hammer and put a little lock on it if it'll come loose. Let's see. Hammer, hammer, hammer. Got it. All right. I know it's got tension on it. I don't know. It is not coming off. Threads are good. Oh, great. Oh, they're pulling. I don't want to break this puller. Yeah, we got some threads. Make me heat you up. Did I strip it? Oh yeah! Hell yeah! Had to keep going back and forth with it. Jeez and Pete's. Woo! Well, yeah, I think you can tell it's never been taken off. I believe that's OEM. So, we got a new gear, the new one-way bearing, and I think that's it. We got a new seal. So that's going to be going on it. So I'm going to pull all this off, clean all this up, put all the new parts on, and then we'll reinstall everything. Yeah, I can pull this off, I guess, because that's being changed. Boom! Oh yeah, there's orifices in there. So this is not a dry system. There is a hole here, down in here. So try and be careful not to get any crap up in here, or change your oil after you do this. But yeah, so this will be changed. It'll have a brand new copper bushing in it for in here. Oh, can't lose that key. They got a keyway. Gotta make sure we don't lose that. That'll be bad. All right, we'll be back with this after. All right, so we've attached the new, we got a new gear back there. The new one-way bearing we bolted to this, the back of this. And we have now tightened it down as much as we can with a 1/2-inch impact. And, yep. Then we put this in here with the shaft, and we lubed up everything before we did. We lubed up. It looks like it definitely all needs fluids. I mean, even this bolt has a hole right here in it for fluid, oil to go through, to lube inside of it. So we put some assembly lube on everything. So once that burns off, the oil will be there. But yeah, now you just put the new gasket around it and put your cover back on, and then reverse your process on how you got here. So it's a little different, I think, than the 800s, but it's pretty straightforward, and as long as you have that puller, it seems it makes the job pretty easy. And I was able to buy the kit off of eBay for like, I don't know, it was under $100 for the gear, the one-way bearing, and the gasket from Caltronics, I think it is. I went with a cheap one, guys, so we'll see how it goes, and hopefully it'll last a while. We'll see, though. But that's that for the, other than when the cover's on, I'll come back. Alright, back at it, and now everything's put back together. As you can see, the exhaust is back on. Cover's back on with the new gasket and everything. And I think that's it. So now all we need to do is crank it, and we are I already bled the air out of the line for the radiator. We're gonna start it, let it run, and cycle a couple times, and we should be good. Hopefully it won't give me any more issues with this one-way bearing. Here we go. All right. It cranked up. Alright, we'll let it run for a little bit and we'll see what happens. It's running though.